Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Decorative Dream. My channel is about Mehndi designs. These days Mehndi is on trending for girls. Girls, we cannot attend any event without Mehndi. That's why I have thought to share with you latest, unique and easy, simple Mehndi designs. These all designs are very easy, unique and simple. I am also fond of Mehndi. I hope you are liking my video and are enjoying my video. If you are liking my video, then please subscribe my YouTube channel, press the bell icon, like, share and comment for latest upcoming video. Okay friends, thank you so much. Take care.